Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this high yield savings account, which is Customers Bank. So let's dive into it. Customer Bank high yield savings account is a strong choice for those looking to earn competitive interest rate with APYs that are among the highest in the market. It's easy to open with just $1, comes with no monthly maintenance fee, and is FDIC insured, giving saver both security and simplicity. For anyone focused on maximizing returns without extra cost, it's a very attractive option. So on the downside, the account is not very flexible. There's no ATMs or debit card access. Transfers are limited to linked account, and the bank itself has limited branch availability. So that means it's best suited for people who want a pure saving vehicle, not an account for everyday uses. In conclusion, Customers Bank is a great option if your goal is earning high interest with a minimal hassle, but not ideal if you need a frequent access to your cash. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.